to create waveforms for an MP3 player app in Figma and using the confetti plugin. So let's um, create a plain mockup like this. So, what you want to place the waveform and create a new artboard and draw a rectangle. The height must be somewhere around 40 will be fine. You can adjust this later, but this will be the starting value. So that's why I'm doing this. The width can be 4 or less, depends on what style you're using. And right click on it and go to the plugins and choose confetti. So we don't want the opacity to randomize and rotation to randomize as we need a straight line. So put the column value between 60 to 70. So as this outboard size and for a phone, so it will generate a confetti pattern. So select all of this. So all the 70 will be remained inside this. So if you haven't seen it here, you can always get it in the layer panel. So and first use this button to center all in vertically. So and use this as TDO. So this will align everything straight, and now you can see there are differences in the widths. So we want an uniform width, so we can do this as width, mark the width as 4, which we have done initially, and there is a spacing constraint now. So to delete up again, you can always use the button here. You can see the button here, or you can use this one. Figma automatically generates it and adjust the space in between the curves and adjust the space between. And that's it, guys. That's how we generate uh, waveforms using Figma. So after this, just place it between the thing, and you can always ungroup them. So to ungroup them, click on ungroup or use the command Shift Command and G. Sorry, here Command G is for grouping and Shift Command G for ungrouping. Select this space where you need to do this and choose a color. That's it.